Good morning students. Once again I welcome you all in today's online class of biology. Students, till now we have discussed about various topics. So just a brief recapitulation. We have discussed about the discovery of cell. We have discussed about the various shapes and sizes the cells are found. We have discussed about the basic structural organization of cell. That is, cell is made up of mainly these plasma membrane, the three main parts of cell: plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. And we have discussed about plasma membrane, the basic structure and function. Today we discuss about cytoplasm, and we will discuss about the similarities and differences between plant cell and animal cell. And we will see the structure of these both, plant and animal cell. And in earlier classes we have discussed about the process of diffusion, osmosis, the types of solutions, all these things which we have covered. So now plasma membrane, the outermost wall, the covering of the cell which gives rigidity to the cell. It is made up of lipids and proteins. We have discussed about this. Now cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? It is the fluid. This is a cell. So when we mount the cell, the slide, we make the slide, the highly stained portions are these cell organelles. These are all cell organelles: Mitochondria, Endoplasmic Reticulum, Chloroplast, Golgi Bodies. So these all get highly stained when we mount the slide of cell. But the portion which is lightly stained, that is cytoplasm, this area which is not covered by these organelles, that is cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? It is a gel-like fluid which is present in the cell. Various cell organelles are there in the cytoplasm. That's it. Okay. So now coming on to the plant cell and animal cell. Yes, before that I want to give a brief description of cell wall. We have discussed about plasma membrane or cell membrane. It's there in both the cells, in plant cell and animal cell. But cell wall, it's there only in the plant cell. It is made up of cellulose, and as it is made up of cellulose, it gives rigidity to the cell, more rigidity to the cell, right? Moreover, it prevents the cell from bursting when the cell is kept in hypertonic solution, because you know what is hypertonic solution? When the solution, the medium is having more amount of water. So what happens if the medium is having more water? The water will go in the cell. So ultimately, if your mama asks you to eat more and more food at once at a time, so what will happen? A time will come when you will say, Mama, please don't give more, or my stomach will burst. So same thing happens with the cell. But here, the cell wall protects the cell from bursting, even if when it is kept in hypertonic solution. It is additional function of cell wall. Now rest, it is permeable. Yes, this is the difference between cell wall and cell membrane. As we know, cell membrane is semi-permeable. It selects the things which can pass through it. But in case of cell wall, it is completely permeable. So this is the difference. If I ask you to write the differences between cell wall and cell membrane, the differences will be regarding the structure. Cell membrane is made up of lipids and proteins, and cell wall is made up of cellulose. Then second difference will be regarding the permeability. Cell wall is permeable, whereas cell membrane is semi-permeable. Right. So these will be the differences between cell wall and cell membrane. Now coming on to the next topic, that is the similarities and differences between plant cell and animal cell. As you can see students, I have drawn both the cells here. So while explaining, you can point out in the diagram also. Okay. So firstly I am discussing the differences, then we will discuss the similarities. First point of difference is cell wall. In plant cell, this is the plant cell. Cell wall is there. The outermost covering is the cell wall. Whereas in animal cell, there is no cell wall. It is directly cell membrane, which is the outermost covering. Okay. Second point of difference is, in plant cell, the vacuole is large. This is the vacuole. See, this is so large. Whereas in animal cell, if you see, the vacuole is either very small or there is no vacuole. Next difference is the chloroplast. In plant cell, as they perform photosynthesis, they have the chloroplast. But in animal cell, there is no chloroplast. Next point of difference is, in plant cell, the nucleus lies in one side. It's clearly visible in this cell. Nucleus is in one side. This is the nucleus. Nucleolus is there inside. This is in one side. Whereas if you see the animal cell, the nucleus is in the center. So this is again a point of difference. Next is, in plant cell, plastids are present, whereas in animal cell, there are no plastids. Right. So these were the differences. Now this central portion, which is overlap one, this is showing us the similarities, which is there in both. Now the points are mitochondria. You see mitochondria? Here mitochondria is there. In animal cell also mitochondria is there. So they both have mitochondria. This is the similarity. Next similarity is the Golgi bodies. See, here also we have the Golgi apparatus. Here also we have the Golgi apparatus. So this overlap portion, it is showing the similarities. Third is the nucleus. You can see both the cells have the nucleus. We are not talking about the position, but nucleus is there in both. The position is different. Next similarity is the cytoplasm. It is there in both, because we know it is the cytoplasm in which all the organelles are there. So it is there in both. Cytoplasm is present. Again a similarity. Next is ribosomes. Where are the ribosomes, students? They are at the endoplasmic reticulum. This is the difference between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. See, I have labeled. The smooth one is the endoplasmic reticulum, where ribosomes are not there. And where ribosomes are present, that is rough ER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. And ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis. We will discuss it in detail when we will discuss the organelles one by one, right? So endoplasmic reticulum is also there in both. See, here also we have the reticulums. So this is again a common thing. Fine. So these are the similarities, the overlap portion of these circles, and these are the differences. I hope both the cells are very clear to you all. And just practice the diagram separately. And if you will learn the diagram, you can easily write these similarities and differences. And if you learn these similarities and differences, you can easily draw the diagram vice versa. Okay, students? So I hope all these topics which we have discussed today till now are clear. See you in the next class, in which we will discuss about the nucleus. This portion, this structural part is left. We have discussed this, we have discussed the cytoplasm also, now nucleus is left. So we will discuss about nucleus, its 4 parts, and the 2 types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic, in the next class. So till the next time, keep revising all this which we have discussed till now, and keep taking out the doubts, and we will discuss in live session. Okay students, till the next time, thank you and have a great day.